I'm still fat, amazingly, and I don't even eat right now. And they're ugly now, so I need to change my life.
Denise had been told by her dentist that implants were not possible because she didn't have enough jawbone. For years, she hid her smile, avoided photos, and quietly lived with the embarrassment. She searched for the best implant specialists in the Bay Area, and that search led her to the Center for Implant Dentistry in Fremont, where she met Dr. Jain and Dr. Gupta. The doctors carefully evaluated her case and found that she was a perfect candidate for dental implants. Instead of waiting 6 to 8 months for her final permanent teeth, Denise received her permanent, custom-milled teeth just 72 hours after surgery, thanks to the center's advanced in-house technology. Today, Denise says the best part is how natural her teeth feel. She doesn't just have a new smile, she has her confidence and happiness back.